Okay, so we have to solve the Laplace of the following. If you're wondering why there's ohms here, it's because there was a printing error, like when they made this textbook. So this is supposed to be, this is the correct way of writing this. Alright, okay. So we just have to find the Laplace of this, and you see how this is the one that matches the closest with it. So we need, so this is f of t, but we need it in the format of f of t minus a, okay? But we know what a should be. A should be just pi, okay? So we should rewrite this as cos of t minus pi times the unit step function u of t minus pi. Okay. Now next thing we do is take the Laplace of this. We can take the Laplace of this individually and times it by e to the power of minus a s, with a being pi. Okay. So let's find the Laplace of cos of t minus pi. So cos of t minus pi, that's actually the same thing as as the Laplace of minus cos of t. Okay, because the minus pi is the minus pi, it shifts cosine to the right by pi units. Okay, so it turns cos t minus, so cos t minus 5 is the same thing as minus cos of t. Okay, or let me show you it in a better way. So imagine this is just regular cos. Hold on. So this is cos of t. So this is just pi. This is 0. This is 2 pi. So what about what's cos t minus pi supposed to look like? So it shifts everything to the right by pi unit. Let me continue this so we can see how this looks like as we continue on. So this maximum point gets shift to here. This minimum point gets shift down to here. What else? This 0 point gets shift down to here. Wait, no, sorry. Not at 0 point, sorry. This minimum point gets shift down to here. That's what I meant, sorry. This 0 point just gets shift down to here, so it's still at the same position. And it starts looking something like this. So that's pretty much just cos, that's pretty much minus cos of t. Alright? So we'll just, we can take out the minus. Alright, and now we just find the Laplace of cos of t. So we can just follow this one, where k is just 1. So it'll be minus s over s squared plus 1. Alright? And we just have to recall, I just said to times it by e of minus a of s, where a is just pi. Okay? And that's your final answer.